welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's ThatGirlRuvie. If you are new, please do stay around and see if you like my channel. To my returning loves, welcome back. Thank you for tuning back in. So in today's video, we're going to be making a satin skirt, and I really wanted something basic so that I can dress it up and dress it down and still look cute. So this is what we're going to be doing today, so let's get started.
Today we're going to be needing some satin fabric, a zipper, and scissors. So this fabric is not very stretchy, so one side is not stretchy and the other side was a little bit stretchy. The little bit stretchy is going to go across your body, so that's where we're going to make our fold on the fabric. So now I'm measuring how long I wanted my skirt to be. I want it to be a midi skirt, so I measured the first dot and the second one is seam allowance for the top as well and the bottom, because I'd forgotten on the top. And then I measured from my waist to my hip, and that is that measurement. And then I took my hip measurement, divided by 4, and then marked it down. Make sure to use a ruler for this because I was playing myself. That line was not going to be straight, so I ended up grabbing my ruler and made a line properly and did my mark on the correct spot. And also do pin your fabric together because this satin was moving all over the place. With my ruler, I made a line at the bottom of the skirt on the seam allowance marking that we had made, because that's where we're going to be cutting from. And then I also connected the end of that line to the hip marking that we had made earlier. The length of the bottom of the skirt, I just gauged how flowy I wanted the skirt to be on me, so it was just a guess. You can just guess however you want it to be. And now taking my waist measurement divided by 4 and marking it down as well, and then connecting that line to the hip measurement. And don't forget to put the seam allowance as well, so connect your lines at the seam allowance marking. With my fabric on fold, I'm going to make a little cutting. I do not know how to explain this to you guys, just watch as I'm doing it. And you're going to need 2 of these little pieces. Taking the front piece and I'm laying it right side facing up, and I'm going to take one of the small strappies and then attach it at the waist part. The shorter side of that strappy part is where I'm going to sew it together with the top piece, and then you're going to do the same for the back part as well. Putting the pieces together, this is what it should be looking like when you turn it over. Now we're going to take this to our iron. We're going to iron down that seam flat and then flip it over into the inside of the front part and iron it down as well. After that, we're gonna grab our front piece right side facing up and then put the back piece right side facing down and then sew on the one open side, making sure that the flips for the inside are straight, and you're gonna sew them just like this. For the other side of the skirt, we're going to take our zip and measure how long it's going to be and where it's going to end. And then we're going to start sewing together the back and the front piece from that end to the bottom of the skirt. After that, we're going to take our zipper and sew it to one side, starting from where the waist is going to lay. And this is how it looks, and we're going to sew the other side together. And then after that, I did a top stitch, and I don't know where that footage went to, so sorry. But you're just going to do a top stitch over the zip part. And then for the hem, we're going to go with one fold first and sew around the skirt, and then do another fold and sew a top stitch over that.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned a few things. And if this was your first time seeing any one of my videos, my name is Ruby, and on this channel we do all things sewing, DIY, recreating, everything in the fashion industry. Okay, so if that's your thing, go ahead and subscribe and join our little fashion show. If you really liked watching the video and enjoyed learning, please do leave a like below, and we'll see you in my next video.